Zoom into space with the latest Astrobot series, Cosmos Kit. This kit has all the parts to build 3 different robots: Astrobot, Rover, or Astron, or invent your own galactic JIMU robot creation. To start the fun, download the free JIMU app that has step-by-step, 3D, 360 degrees animated building instructions. The fun is extended with the blocky coding platform, allowing kids to build and code these robots to perform countless programs and tricks. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Learn to use blockly coding to program your robot to navigate obstacles, pick up objects, control light and sound effects, add personality, and more. Number 2. Test your skills with new blockly coding challenges. Number 3. Create entirely new, custom actions with the PRP, pose, record, play, function. Number 4. No tools required. Our 3D, 360 degrees animated building instructions walk you through the steps. Number 5. Includes 387 snap-together parts, 1 infrared sensor, 1 speaker, 2 LEDs, and 5 smooth motion robotic servo motors. Power adapter and quick start guide also included. Number 6. Free app. Works with both Android and Apple smart devices. A compatible iOS or Android device is required. Number 7. JIMU Robot is the award-winning interactive robotic building block system for ages 8 and up. And so much more. Some common questions. Question number 1. What's the difference between the Astrobot kit and the new Cosmos kit? Answer. The new Cosmos kit has a new main control box that fits with the new battery that is charged with USB, and a new IR sensor. Question number 2. The newer Chromebooks support Android apps. Will this JIMU app work on a Chromebook that can run Android apps? Answer. Although this is true with some Android apps, it will not support our JIMU app. You have to have an actual Android or iOS device. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.